Namaskar, everybody. I have a golden opportunity to interview Miss Abba, and it has been a great opportunity. And I didn't know that she's a multifaceted personality until I saw her Facebook. So I wanted you to know more about her multifaceted things about her, which nobody knows, and I wanted to bring it out to you so that it will be for you interesting, and it will be very engaging with you. So I welcome Ms. Abba for this interview with me, and I thank you, ma'am, for having accepted my request. I just saw about your profile that you had been once a beauty pageant. It sounds so interesting, and it is. I became very curious. I really wanted to know what happened, and so that you became a beauty pageant, and how did it happen, and what exactly. Can you give me more insights on that?
Sure, Ananya. First of all, my greetings to your viewers, and thank you, Ananya, for inviting me here for interview. It is definitely and a golden opportunity for me also to be interviewed by you. So that's really great. So finally, you were able to discover my secrets, right? So, anyways, let me tell. This was actually a childhood dream when I
Oh.
was very small, and I used to watch this Miss India, Miss Universe, Miss World, all kind of beauty pageants on TV, right? And I used to, get mesmerized with the way these beauties they walk on ramp, and they used to do like this. So बचपन से inside somewhere it was like एक बार तो I should do this ramp walk. I was very
Oh.
much curious to go for that. I know it was an impossible dream at that age because I am coming from totally a different background. My father was working in railway. We were
Uh-huh.
into middle average class family,
Mm-hmm.
so it was a far off dream thing, and our family was very orthodox,
Oh.
right? So to wear frocks or midis was also not allowed in our home. We used to wear salwar kurtis and everything. In that situation, it was difficult to dream about it. But I was like, inside somewhere, it was always there that I want to, once I want to walk on ramp.
Wow.
Uh, Year passed, I got married, then some problems came, and then, there was a situation when I was looking for some jobs. So time came when I have to come out of my house and to look for a job. So I was searching for a job and everything. In that, in between that, this kind of opportunity was coming continuously on radio, right?
Hmm.
We are having some Mrs. Gujarat contest. So those who want to participate, come for the first round or fill in your enrollment forms. So I used to get curious. चलो जाके भरते हैं, चलो फॉर्म भरते हैं जाके. बट मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं, लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि बड़ी बहुत ज्यादा अपने आप को सुंदर समझ रही है, ऐसा वैसा. So
Huh.
every time I used to give a thought and
Hmm.
then okay, leave it. It's not my cup of tea. Then
Hmm.
it was its last day to submit the form. Right? Yeah. Within 1.5 hours, we are going to start this contest. You still have 1 hour. If anyone is interested, please come at this place. We are here to launch our first round. So those who are still interested can come and fill the form and join the contest. For that moment, I just asked one question to myself that if I'll grow, I am going to grow. If I'll reach at the age of 60, once I get retired and I'm lying on my rest bed and watching everything from just lying on the bed, and when I look back in my life, what golden opportunities I have got, and I have let it go away. I did not use them to fulfill my dream. There was always a dream to walk on ramp. So
Wow.
God
Wow.
has sent an opportunity for me. कि, okay, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. But I was not giving a thought to it. So I just asked one question: what will happen if I look back into my life and I'll repent that I have missed this opportunity? So I don't want to answer me like this that मैंने miss कर दिया. I immediately got up. I was in wearing some shirt and trouser. That's it. मैंने अपना बाल खोला, थोड़ा सा makeup किया, and I put some makeup things in my bag and I rushed. It was far from my place. I drove at full speed, reached there, filled the form, and entered the contest. and you won't believe I was selected for the quarter final round and then kept on selecting. मेरे पास तो उस समय पैसे भी नहीं थे कि I used to spend on my attire or on my makeup. तो जो था अपने घर में जो मैं एडजस्ट कर सकती थी, I have done that. और उसके बेसिस पे एक सेकेंड राउंड के लिए, सेमीफाइनल के लिए, I took a dress. I borrowed dress from my student
Wow.
because I don't have skirt and all that, and it was a western dress round.
It was
So
a
I was like,
jugaad
yes,
idea.
jugaad kind of. So one of the 11th standard girl used to come in my house for tuitions. So I asked, please help me with any such kind of dress. So
Wow.
बहुत अच्छे से फिटिंग में आ भी गया. एंड थोड़ा सा मैंने उसको लुक डिस्कस किया कि मैं ऐसे तैयार होंगी तो विल इट बी फाइन. मैम यू लुक ग्रेट, चलो. So luckily I cleared that also, and kept on clearing the rounds, and I reached to finals. I was top 5 finalist of the beauty pageant.
Wow.
So this is how I fulfilled my dream.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you didn't let your inner talk, stop you from doing whatever your dream was. So that's definitely a great, message to everybody. Don't stop your inner voice. Just let it go.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I also came to know that you have worked on various fields like insurance, marketing, and sales. So I want to know more about those as well. How did you end up? And you're now a school principal. So how did you end up in insurance, marketing, being a beauty pageant, that too?
Okay, beauty pageant was just a dream. They offered me advertisements also afterwards, but I said this was just for my fulfilling of dream, nothing to pursue further. So I refused the further coming projects. And some of the friends who were there with me, who participated in Miss Gujarat and other pageants, they all are still coming in TV serials.
Okay.
So yes, so I always cherish them. They were lucky to pursue that further. So after some time I realized कि सब चीज सीखा है. I know most of the fields. I was always scared of financial department. I never knew what is budget, though I am an economics student. Right, I have done my graduation in economics.
Correct.
But still, if when somebody talk about tax, income tax, I never knew what is it all about.
Okay.
Right, बहुत सारे ऐसे फाइनेंशियल टर्म्स थे which I never knew. Audit क्या होता है, एंड अकाउंट्स, ये सब चीज क्या होता है. आई नेवर अंडरस्टूड कि इंश्योरेंस, सब बोलते हैं इंश्योरेंस करवा लो, इंश्योरेंस करवा लो, क्यों करना चाहिए. आई वाज नेवर इंटरेस्टेड मच अबाउट इट. So I decided to get into this field. Of course it was a financial need also at that time कि कुछ extra school के साथ कुछ होना चाहिए. So I found one of my colleague working over there. So he took me over there. He took my interview and everything. Ma'am, you are eligible for this. You have to just take 10 days training. And so I said, okay, fine. So I took the training for 10 days, which we need to give, exam for IRDA. That is Insurance Regulatory Department of some authority. It is something kind of that. Now I don't remember the full form, but it is like to clear an exam from Insurance Department of India.
Okay.
Right. So I cleared that exam also.
Wow.
And that was the place. That training, those 10 days training was the time when I got my name of Active Abba, which you see on Facebook. That
Wow.
is been given by my trainer. Yes.
Wow.
My Dimple ma'am was there. She gave me that name. She just, it popped out of her mouth and I really liked it. And from that onwards, I kept that name for my Facebook.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
and after that, I started working in insurance. I was trained very well, and my sales manager was very young and enthusiastic. I created a record over there for winning Tena Manthar Award for continuous 14 months.
Wow.
And also I achieved each and every award over there in that list of that company. And
Wow.
I won the Executive Council Award, and I went Singapore to take that award. Where that award was also very surprisingly, they all created such a drama that I have qualified for that award. They made me so tensed in that situation, and I was about to cry.
Oh.
मैंने इतना सब किया, just for 10 पैसा I could not complete that award. They told me like that in
Oh.
the room.
Uh-huh.
So I was like, I missed my heartbeat, like,
Oh
and I
my God.
was so disappointed, and I was just about to burst into tears that मेरा सारा मेहनत waste हो गया.
Uh-huh.
And somebody, so बाहर आओ, somebody's marriage anniversary there, so we are going to cut the cake.
Mm.
So I came outside and I was standing at the last,
Okay.
and tears are coming out of my eyes, and like मुझे कोई
Because of
अकेला
your
कोना दे दो.
disappointment.
Yes. So my trainer called me, loudly. Abha, come here, come here. What happened? मैंने कहा सर, I'm not in the mood, please. नहीं नहीं, आपकी टीम की मेंबर की एनिवर्सरी है, come ahead, come ahead. And you are the most successful, member of your team, so you should be there beside her in cutting the cake. तो मेरा रोना एकदम से निकलने लग गया कि आई डोंट वांट टू कम ओवर देयर. से क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया? मैं कहा नहीं सर, कुछ हो गया, आई डोंट वांट, मैंने कुछ नहीं कर पाई. एंड सेड ही शोड मी द केक एंड सी ये क्या हो गया. I saw the cake. It was a huge cake, and it was written, "Congratulations, Rockstar."
Oh.
And,
Wow.
and I cried louder out of happiness.
It happens.
My sir was like, who was my sales manager. He was recording everything, and I did not knew that such kind of thing is happening. The whole office was like into the conspiracy, kind of कि इसको बताना नहीं है. Since one day prior, everyone knew कि I have qualified for the order, for the award.
Oh.
But no one let me know that. मुझे दूसरी ऑफिस से भी कॉल आ रहा था congratulations का. I said मेरे बॉस ने अभी तक मुझे बोला नहीं, आप मजाक कर रहे हो, कुछ है नहीं ऐसा. So they made sure that no one should meet me from the office. So they kept it that secret.
Wow.
But I was very happy after that, and my boss gifted me a blazer of 4,000 rupees at that time. So that means a lot. And he said कि आप स्टेज पे ये पहन के अवार्ड लेने जाओगे. So that was a big moment for my life.
Wow.
So this is how I came into insurance. So मेरा नियम है, my rule is there. Whatever I do, I give my best. I do it with all dedication. Wow. And that's the reason why I achieved all the awards. Only one award was left. That was high flyer.
Oh.
High flyer award was left. And I was not at all interested in doing that. Every time my sir used to say कि यार एक वो silver वाला medal तो ले लो. Silver वाला, मैंने कहा सर नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा. And पता नहीं एक दिन क्या हुआ. I was very much near to that award. तो मैंने कहा चलो सर आपका dream था ना, I'll do it. And I did it. And he was very happy. Finally, this award also you took. So all the awards in that list I achieved. कोई भी award बस announce करने की दे रहे हैं, and I used to be there to take that award. So yes, so those memories gave me motivation kind of thing. कि इतना देखो लड़ने की जो आप देखते हो ना मेरे अंदर फाइट करने की जो आग है, it came from there.
Wow. It was so touching, ma'am, and even tears are running out my ears. I mean, eyes as well. So I also came to know that you have been in programs for a TV channel as well, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So how did that happen?
When I started my career as teacher, that was my first or second year. I used to play some games on local TV channel. Right, every Saturday, Sunday, there are some game shows used to come in that TV channel. And in the afternoon time, I was mostly free, so I used to play those games. Right, live games shows were there. So immediately the question is asked, and you have to call and give your correct answer. So for successively 6 times, I won those games. Right. तो जितने भी गेम वहाँ पे भी होते थे तो मैं जीतते जाती थी, तो वो चैनल वाले भी मुझे पहचान गए थे कि यार ये एक विनर आ रही है. So once then I said my papa when I won for the first position I won in that game show. So I ran to my papa and I said कि पापा मेरा पहला प्राइज लगा है, and that happened for 3 successive times.
Wow.
First I won first prize in that game. So my father just said ऐसे ही कि आप तो टीवी में भी काम कर सकते हो, न्यूज वगैरह, न्यूज रीडर वगैरह का. And I said it was again my dream. Acting is into my family because my father was a stage artist. But I never got a chance to do acting on theater. So it was again like कि मुझे कुछ मौका मिलेगा मेरे अंदर के एक्टर को कुछ फीड करने के लिए. So the moment just he said कि आप कर सकते हो means permission granted, I rushed immediately next day to TV channel for interview.
Wow.
So the general manager, she was living in our society. I came to know later. कि, अरे ma'am आप, so she said कि I know your father, so I will immediately not say no to you. There is a program of cookery show. Go to some 5-star hotel was there at that time. So Holiday Inn name was there. So we'll go there, record one program for us, and then I'll decide whether you have that quality of facing camera and what. So I said fine. तो तब संजीव कुमार का खाना खजाना प्रोग्राम आता था जो मैंने बहुत देखा था.
Wow.
So I went to Holiday Inn, 5-star होटल था मेरे लिए. तो वैसे ही 5-star होटल में गए मीन्स लाइक आई वाज बाप रे इतनी बड़ी जगह पे करना है इंटरव्यू. So रेसिपी वहाँ का शेफ आया, हेड शेफ. He made some recipe in front of me, and then he asked me to taste it. It was a cookery showcase. If somebody is cooking, you have to just stand nearby and talk about it. So I did it, and my general manager was very happy. He just told me that you need to learn some makeup tricks because you don't know how to do makeup. I said, yes, that is very true. I don't know. So she said, you just learn those things, and otherwise you are perfectly fine. You are passed. Now you can join our channel. And with that note, we started working in TV channels where I used to do family programs. And apart from that, sometimes if a newsreader is absent or something like that, I was very good at Hindi also. So they used to, take me for Hindi news reading also.
Wow.
And side by side, I also started my individual programs of countdown shows where I used to play every time a different role. A kind of bhai, a kind of naughty girl, a kind of silly newsreader, a kind of a student who has bunked her school and went to some garden and just roaming around. A typical what do you say, village leveled woman being rich, एकदम जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं फूहड़ गंवार औरत. तो उस टाइप का भी मैंने रोल किया. So all those programs I still have in my CD.
Wow.
So I really find myself so funny कि मैंने उस टाइम ऐसा सब किया. Today it might not sound attractive, but at that time that was like appreciated by everyone.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
after that I worked with one more channel over there, Channel 1, where I came up with my message kind of program, where I used to take message from people and then I used to give dedicate songs for them.
Okay.
So such programs I have done. And as a TV actor, I just worked for 2 years in that.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow. So it's been a great journey. Just so much. You have so much, and we have so much to learn from you. You stand as an icon. You see this lady. You got to do this. You don't have to miss any opportunity. Don't ever do that. And so having said that, you had a lot of messages to say in the program. So what is the message that you want to give people, to the viewers, to your viewers, and what is that one thing that you want them to know?
A few principles I have in my life. That is, I am very much time conscious. People know me for my punctuality, and they know कि अगर इसको time दिया है, so we have to follow. I have still a set routine in my life.
Wow.
So that this has started from 8th standard. मैंने 8th standard से ये time consciousness, time planning करना, अपना day organize करना, I have started since. So people know me for my punctuality. So that has helped me a lot in doing so many things at a time.
Wow.
Right. And at the same time, I always believed in following my dreams. To get an opportunity, get it. Don't let it go away.
Okay.
कहता है क्या पता कल हो ना हो. And I always took inspiration from some filmy songs. I used to watch a lot of movies, and I still watch a lot of movies because I love Hindi movies.
Okay.
Right. So many songs from many such good movies, they are inspiration for me, and that has given me big lessons. हम अक्सर गाना सुन के छोड़ देते हैं, बट गाने की डेप्थ को अगर पकड़ के हमने उसको अपनी लाइफ में उतारा है तो डेफिनेटली इट हेल्प्स यू टू ग्रो लाइक एनीथिंग.
Wow.
So I am a self-made woman, if you can say, because I have never taken anyone's help in my career or personal development.
That's so
It was
inspiring.
all about me. Yes. So that is the thing. If you are a female, never feel that you are, something inferior. Character you are. I have faced that discrimination also in my family, gender discrimination. So that gave me, the biggest inspiration कि ठीक है लड़की हूँ ना, ये सोच के आप मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं जाने दे रहे हो पढ़ने के लिए, but I'll prove that यही लड़की आपके खानदान का नाम रोशन करेगी.
Mm.
And
Wow.
that thing was there when I won the Singapore award in insurance. When my father pat me and said, "You're the first person to go abroad," and at that time I said, "Yes, I've proved." So no, that kind of determination, if you have, you are focused, you are determined, you are time conscious. Nothing will stop you to achieve your goals.
Wow.
That is what I believe. Yeah.
It's been a great thing to know, and all the secrets I think your viewers would have by now understood what you have and what you are, and you stand such an inspiration to all the women out there, and a self-made woman actually. So it's been a great blessing and an opportunity to have you interviewed, and thank you so much again for accepting and having giving your time, like
Thank you so much.
which is very precious for you, and you're so much time conscious. So I have to learn a lot from you personally. So thank you so much, ma'am, for this opportunity, and thank you.